Good morning, Jerry and crew. Making a little new video of my store. It's currently in the process of being updated a little bit, but I'll make a new one when I'm done, but for now. Probably a little hard to see through all this gloss here. We got some Hex 3D stuff over here, and of course down here. Been longtime patrons of Jeff. Here's all our displays. So here's the right side here. We got a lot of Flexi Factory stuff like that. We patron. This is our online filament here. This is something new. All of our filaments have a beautiful opalescence into them. We'll be launching those next few weeks. This is again more of our colors. Well, let's see, we got printers galore. As far as you can see, we're eSun dealer. We got eSun, lots of PLA Plus, resins of course. I even carry things like Peak, nylon, PVA, nylon, carbon fiber nylon, 6 and 12, full line of PET G, blah, blah, blah. This is where my techs sit. I got 2 high schooler techs, and they work on printers for me in the weekend. Let's see, this is almost done. This is a custom T-Rex we did for a customer. But this is the painting area here. Got some demo printers. More of our colors that we do. And then we got the print form back here. So currently I got some Chitty Techs over here. A couple iFasts. Of course, we got the X Plus, some Ender 5 Pluses, a couple CR6 Maxes, some CR6s, CR10 Maxes, another CR10 Max, S5. So we got the resin side. Here's where printers go to be put together. These are all put together, waiting to be calibrated. Let's see here. Got an XCF Pro awaiting repairs. And I got a couple more down there waiting on repairs. And lastly, onto the lasers. Let's see, we got 2 fiber lasers back here. We got a 50-watt JPT on the left and a 30-watt Racus on the right. And that's about it in a Pac-Man game. Woo! Now, this is my printer area for Amazon returns.